just because it stands out a little bit and I don't want it to do that. Let me see if it can zip. It's your girl, Miss A Couple Styles, and welcome back to my channel, A Couple Styles, because one just isn't enough. Here we'll talk about lifestyle, fashion, travel, and a couple styles. So if that's what you're into and you want to be all about the styles, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a double unboxing on the Marc Jacobs tote bag, the small and the mini. So without further ado, let's get into it, y'all. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. I think I'm going to unbox let's do the small first. The packaging is so nice. I did not get this one from the Marc Jacobs store. I got it from Nordstrom's. I went in the store and got this one. The packaging is impeccable. When I purchased this, the lady just offered. She said, you know what? Let's wrap it up. So, you would like to? Let's wrap it up. So, put the bow to the side. Save that for later. And let's get into it, stylist. First glance, first look at it, and again, this is the small. So, thumbnail. Oh, that color already. I'm just, as if I didn't see it. But just looking at it again, oh man, I'm loving it. I'm loving this denim blue. At first, I'll be honest, I was type optimistic. Like, should I? I mean, as you know, they have this color. I believe it's like a slack green, and they have some other summer colors, but they don't have those available right now, not that I know of. But this some first look. Oh yeah, I'm ready to pack her up tonight. You hear me? Ready to go tomorrow. So I am loving it. It has the tote bag on the front, Marc Jacobs, and on the back it has the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, you know, year 1984. The price here. So yes, I am loving it. I like that it zips too. A lot of tote bags do not zip. So for me, that is a plus, that it does zip, and it has some extra compartments. As you can see here, like your phone, maybe you want to put a pen, you know, that stuff that you want to get easily accessible, because you know when you got a big bag, you just be putting stuff in there. So things you want to get to quickly, maybe your wallet. And then it also comes with a strap. So just a normal or your standard black strap here. I don't think, no, it doesn't have Marc Jacobs on it, but that's okay. So you can turn it into a crossbody. So again, I am feeling that, because sometimes, you know, holding your totes like this or like this, they can get a little heavy depending on what you're putting on in there. But I am digging this. I'm loving the color. Listen, I could throw this baby on right now. Matches the look. So yes, thumbnail. Again, I am feeling this bag. So looks like it can hold a lot. What I'm thinking about, you could be able to put your, if you want to go, you might be able to put your Mac in here, your iPad, put your camera accessories in here, your wallet, your essentials, wallet, purse, lotion, hand sanitizer, your mask. Listen, grab your tote bag and go. So yes, this is the size small. So yes, now let's put that one away and let's get to this mini. Okay, stylists, are you guys ready for the mini? So the mini, I did go and purchase this in store at Marc Jacobs. I did get them on separate occasions. Just once I got the small, and from remembering, I'm like, oh, but it's small, but it's a decent size tote bag, ladies and gentlemen. So I was like, you know what, I could do that maybe like work, you know, out on the go, got to put a lot of things in there. But when I'm just running to the store, I might not want so much of a big bag. So then that made me think, like, you know what, try the mini out, go in, see it. So I went back, went to the Marc Jacobs store, checked it out, and let's get into it. So here's how it came. Again, just from the store, they didn't wrap it. I wasn't given that option, but I wasn't gonna complain. I mean, as long as I got my bag, I'm like, we good. So I did get it, as you can see, in black. I didn't want to get two of the same color. It was between the black and the khaki, but I kind of, since seeing that denim again makes me be like, oh, I should have did it in that color. So let's get everything off and let's see what we got. All right, so first look, yeah, I like that. You see, see the name does justice, the mini. So yes, I am digging the mini size. I did see a couple videos where they said, you know, you might want to keep a lint brush on you because the black does pick up, you know, the stuff from your clothing. So I was like, okay, I will do that. Nothing as of now, so as you can see, but this is fresh out of the box, fresh out of the packaging. So I will keep that in mind. Again, another black strap. See if this is a different color hardware. Nope, still that silver hardware. And I don't know if I mentioned it, the blue strap also had the silver hardware as well. Black zipper. So let's get into it. So this is the mini. Alright, so already looking and checking it out, I do notice that the mini does not have those slot compartments here, as I showed you previously in the small. So that is one difference. A quick call out that I noticed. Oh, and this is the card. So that is one call out, but it still looks like it's sturdy enough to hold a lot of stuff. Definitely your phone, your everyday essentials again, probably your camera and a small tripod, your wallet, and I'm talking about a full wallet. You could put in here lotions, hand sanitizers, again, those essential items, ladies and gentlemen. But this is what I mean. Yep, on the go, running out really quick. You don't want a really big bag. I think this is it. The mini is it. So yes, same on the back. It has that stamp just letting you know the location and the year. And then you see we got the tote bag. You know, I've heard mixed reviews of having that on the front and just to call out. Listen, I'm all right with, I love a good signature bag, so this did not bother me. I actually like it. The staple of it, it just gives me in the city and I'm flowing type vibe. Tell me if you feel the same. So yes, I will also say, since I'm so happy because with my tote bags, I like to get little organizers. Hold on, let me put this down, stylist. I like to get little organizers to put. So stylist, as you can see, as I mentioned, this bag here doesn't have those separate compartment slots for like your phone and your wallet, so you can reach in real quick. Again, it is a mini bag, so it's not too deep, as you can see, not too deep, but I still like to just be able to dig in and grab stuff. So for those instances, I do buy the tote organizers. So I'm so happy that something just told me when I got the purchase. I was like, you know, let me get a tote organizer just to make sure, you know, just in case. And I have a couple tote bags, not the tote bag, but I have a couple tote style bags. So I was like, you know what, I can use this, you know, interchangeably. So this is what I got, and I just ordered this real quick off Amazon. Again, a tote organizer. As you can see, just drop that down in there. I'll show you before I do that. This also has, you know, the compartments on the outside. So yes, you can drop your things in here. This also zips up. This is also a good one if you have a tote bag that doesn't close, or maybe it just has that snap closure and it doesn't zip. I think this is also good for that as well. So I always like to get these. This one was a more fun. I usually get plain colors, but stepped out a little bit and was like, you know what, let me jazz it up. So yes, let's see if this can fit inside. Let's see. Yep, it might be a little too tall, but I will say I do have the belt in here, so let me take that out. That might be taken away from some of my space. So let's see what we got going. Oh yeah, I probably would go back and do a solid color just for this purse because it's right at the top and you can see it. So see what I'm talking about, stylers? It's right there, so it's kind of like, okay, I see it. So yes, but again, I like this to show you, well, I mean, when I say, you know, the tote organizer, I do like it. Again, I probably would do a black one for this just because it stands out a little bit and I don't want it to do that. Let me see if it can zip. So checking to see if it could zip with the organizer. And again, nothing is in the organizer, just putting it in there, showing you guys that it fits. Sorry, that's the belt. Oh yeah, it zips perfectly. And it doesn't have a full shape stylus just because I didn't put nothing in it yet. So as you can see how you can see that gaping part here where you can see that it's like that blue fun color. Now again, I do like the fun of it, but let me see, maybe if I push it in, but just think about it. If I have some stuff in here and it expands it a little bit. So yeah, I want to be more on the safe side. So I'll probably go with a more of a neutral color, find me a black, but definitely will put a tote organizer in here. Just so I could know where everything's at. Dig my hand in real quick, get my stuff, hold on. Yep. So yes, I would do that, but I do suggest if you don't, or if you haven't, or if you're not familiar, definitely grab your tote organizer. They are so convenient and they come in handy at the right time. So again, order this right off of Amazon. They come in multiple sizes. They do have the really big ones. I know a lot of people put these in their Louis Vuitton. I think it's the Never Full. So yes, I've seen a lot of people put that in there as well. And again, it has an inside zip up compartment. It has some individual compartments as well. And then you can zip it up on the outside. So you can definitely separate and organize your things. All right, styles, before I end this video, I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see. Can you see? So again, this is the mini and this is the small. So see if I put them in front of each other, it kind of looks the same, but it's not. So I'll put some still shots in there so you can kind of get an additional vibe of what it's giving. But definitely both are a vibe. Which one you going for? Again, I love them both. Definitely see myself carrying them both. More workflow type situation here and more just out and about running errands. I think this will be it for me. Now I would say after seeing these and seeing the quality and really enjoying the bag, I am looking for, I'm on the hunt for the pink. So I'm trying to get into it, find that pink. I believe it came out in the summer. Bloomingdale's had it at one point, so I'm probably gonna check back there, see what they got, see if they got it for your girl stylist. Cross your fingers, because I think with spring on the way eventually, I think that would be a good vibe for the springtime. That it was like a bright type pink, not bubblegum pink, but definitely looking forward. So Marc Jacobs, the tote, he's always doing something new with them. As I saw, the Snoopy collection is out now and doing really, looks like it's doing really good. Then he came out with some additional colors. So listen, if you can't get these, I'm quite sure there's one out there for you. They have the leather ones right now. Them leather ones got a heavy ticket on it. So your girl gonna stick with canvas for now. Rock these babies, make them do what they do, and then eventually I'm gonna see how I feel about them. The leather, they did have like a mint green, but again, not ready for that yet. Let me conquer the world with canvas and then I'm gonna see what it do. All right, stylists, so that's it for this video today. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of the styles team, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you are alerted the next time I post. Talk soon, stylers.